Picture this: an unstoppable force hurtling through the skies, capable of obliterating entire countries in a matter of seconds. It may sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's the deadly reality of the SAAB JAS-39 Gripen E fighter jet. It is the newest addition in Sweden's arsenal that has generated global attention for its lethal capabilities. In fact, some military experts claim that this fighter jet can pack enough firepower to take down an entire nation in just 30 seconds. But the Gripen E isn't just a one-trick pony. This Generation 4 Plus fighter jet is designed to perform a variety of missions, from air-to-air combat to ground attacks. With its advanced avionics and weaponry, it's one of the most versatile fighter jets on the market. Plus, its multi-role capabilities make it an attractive option for countries with smaller military budgets. Don't just take our word for it. Military leaders around the world are singing the Gripen E's praises. The Swedish Air Force commander Mats Helgesson himself has stated that it's capable of destroying Russian Su-series aircraft. And the Ukrainian defense minister has gone as far as to say that it's even better than the F-16 for fighting Russian aggression. But how did SAAB manage to create such a remarkable fighter jet? What sets it apart from its competitors, like the F-22 and F-35? And how does it stack up against the Russian Su-35 fighter jet, which is classified as a Generation 4++ aircraft? You'll just have to watch and find out. The JAS-39 Gripen E fighter is a next-generation multi-role fighter aircraft developed by the Swedish aerospace company SAAB. It is the latest and most advanced version of the Gripen series of fighter jets, which have been in service with various air forces around the world since the late 1990s. This Swedish-born beauty is a real game-changer, combining cutting-edge technology and sleek design to deliver unmatched performance and agility. With its state-of-the-art radar system, advanced electronic warfare capabilities, and deadly armaments, this fighter is a force to be reckoned with. But wait, there's more! Not only is the Gripen E an absolute powerhouse in the air, but it's also one of the most cost-effective fighters on the market. Who says you need to break the bank to dominate the skies? In fact, when it comes to creating fourth-generation fighters, there are only two European countries that have been able to do so on their own: France and Sweden. The Swedish aviation industry has a captivating history of ingenuity and grit. From their humble beginnings, Swedish engineers and designers have been pioneers in the aviation industry, creating some of the most cutting-edge aircraft in the world. It all began in the early 1900s when aviation was still a fledgling industry. Inspired by the Wright brothers' groundbreaking flight, Swedish engineers set out to build their own planes. In 1914, the Thulen Type A, Sweden's first airplane, was created, which became the catalyst for the country's aviation industry. Over the years, aviation giants like SAAB and Volvo gained a reputation for designing innovative and top-notch aircraft. In the 1970s, SAAB started developing the JAS-39 Gripen fighter jet to replace its outdated fleet. This new aircraft was engineered to be adaptable, lightweight, and cost-effective. The JAS-39 Gripen has been an extraordinary triumph for SAAB, with over 250 planes sold to nations around the world. Its continuous development has kept the Swedish aviation industry ahead of the curve in technology and innovation. So, what is the JAS-39 Gripen? It's a single-engine monoplane with a simple delta-shaped wing and a fully adjustable floating leading edge. And it has the duck aerodynamic configuration where the horizontal rudders are carried out in the front of the wing. The aircraft is characterized by intentional aerodynamic instability that allows for high maneuverability thanks to the fly-by-wire electronic control system with a 3-channel redundancy system. And the aerodynamic stability of the aircraft in flight is ensured. The Gripen is made of composite materials, which ensures a reduction in weight and radar visibility. But it's not a stealth technology. The aircraft received a new engine, the American-made F414 FA-18 Super Hornets, which creates a thrust of about 6 tons in no-force mode and about 10 tons with its own massive engine of about 1 ton and a quarter. By the ratio of specific thrust to air composition, it's the absolute world record holder even today. With the F414, the cruising speed of the Gripen in idle mode exceeds the speed of sound and is a 1.1 Mach. With the afterburner on, the aircraft flies at Mach 2. One of the fascinating aspects of the Gripen is that it can take off and land on short runways of just 190 meters, making roads also suitable. The horizontal wing control surfaces and forefingers are made from carbon fiber. The fuselage is made of aluminum alloy, and the wings are made of titanium alloy. The Gripen is equipped with a NATO standard refueling system, and much attention was paid by the designers to ease repair and maintenance work. The break time between sorties required for refueling, reloading of weapons, and routine maintenance does not exceed 10 minutes, and a used engine can be replaced in an hour. The Gripen has extensive network capabilities only found in 5th generation fighters, with the Gripen Data Link System, T1DLS Link 16 system, and National Data Link Secure system. It also has multi-frequency communication systems that provide the pilot with full situational awareness and enable two-way communication with other Gripen fighters, other types of aircraft, and ground combat equipment. The Active Electronically Scanned Array (ASA) radar system is based on multiple radars and allows the tracking of multiple targets simultaneously, not only ahead of the course, but also on the sides and rear. The JAS-39 Gripen is an incredible machine, and it's not surprising that Sweden can take pride in this achievement. Mikael Olsson, SAAB's chief test pilot, highlighted that the onboard system of SAAB's Gripen E fighter jet are a significant differentiator, allowing it to see everything around Sweden, such as the Russian S-400 anti-aircraft system in Kaliningrad. The electronic warfare system is another strength of the Gripen E, as it can suppress detection sensors installed on enemy aircraft. Additionally, the Gripen E introduces artificial intelligence into its control system, which facilitates the pilot's decision-making process and provides crucial assistance during operations. Before we dive deeper into the fascinating world of the JAS-39 Gripen, we want to take a moment to ask you for a small favor. If you're enjoying this video so far, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. That way, you won't have to miss any of our upcoming videos, and you'll be one of the coolest aviation enthusiasts out there. During an exercise, the Gripen E managed to unnoticeably land on the right wing of the German fighter Typhoon, thanks to the electronic warfare system that suppressed the detection sensors installed on the Typhoon. The introduction of artificial intelligence into its control system also makes decision-making easier for the pilot, providing crucial assistance during operations. The AI presents information in a pilot-friendly way, making it easier for the pilot to select, aim, and launch weapons in maximum coordination with the other members of the tactical air unit. The aircraft's main weapons are the MBDA Meteor long-range missiles and the IRIS-T short-range missile. The Meteor missile is equipped with a ramjet engine, reaches speeds of Mach 4, and has a range of more than 100 kilometers. Unlike the French Rafale, the Swedish Gripen uses a more advanced version of the Meteor with a two-way communication channel. The IRIS-T missile, due to its sensitive seeker and its ability to maneuver with a 600-fold overload, makes it possible to intercept small targets, including enemy-launched anti-aircraft missiles and air-to-air missiles. The Gripen E spent less time on the ground and more time in the air, thanks to its low maintenance requirements per flight hour. For example, the same figure for its predecessor, the Gripen JAS-39A, is 4,700, half as much as that of its nearest competitor, the single-engine F-16. Not to forget, the JAS-39 Gripen E fighter jet is equipped with advanced network capabilities and cutting-edge technology that make it a formidable aircraft in modern combat. Its network-centric warfare capabilities enable it to seamlessly integrate with other aircraft, ground troops, and command and control systems, making it a valuable asset in joint operations. The Gripen E's advanced avionics and sensors provide pilots with unparalleled situational awareness, allowing them to detect and track multiple targets simultaneously, and to engage them with precision-guided weapons. It also has an advanced electronic warfare system that can detect and jam enemy radar signals, disrupting their ability to target the aircraft. The aircraft's communication systems are also state-of-the-art, allowing for secure and reliable data transfer between the aircraft and ground stations. Its onboard computer system, known as the Tactical Mission System, integrates all of the aircraft subsystems, providing pilots with a streamlined and intuitive interface for controlling the aircraft and its weapons. And that brings us to the end of today's video. So, what do you think sets the JAS-39 Gripen E fighter jet apart from its rivals, like the Su-57 and F-22? Share with us in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel with a bell notification if you enjoy watching our content. We upload some awesome stuff here which you will most certainly enjoy. Hit a like on this video and leave a comment below. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.